So here's how to download Razer app for mouse and keyboard. First you'll need to open the browser and then type Razer Synapse and then search for it and click on the first link. You should download Razer Synapse 4, which is the latest version. Click on download here and that should start downloading the installer. Now you'll simply need to click on the installer in here and then it should open up this installer. You will simply need to select Razer Synapse 4 and then click on install here. Now once it completes downloading and installing Razer Synapse, you will see the launch button. You'll simply need to click on it and this should launch Razer Synapse 4. You might be prompted to log in with this page. You can click on continue as guest or log in with your Gmail or Apple or Facebook account. And now you can click on the dashboard and see your devices such as mouse or keyboard or headset. Now if you don't see them in here, try to reboot your PC or unplug and then replug your devices again, and that should detect them in here, and it should download and install any required drivers. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.